Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at how to solve the problem where Microsoft Excel misinterprets years as actual data to plot on charts. So I have some data here on the average price of a Mercedes-Benz convertible, which just happens to be the one that I own. So what I'm going to do is select over all of this data, and I want to insert a line chart for this. So I'm going to click here on 2D line chart. You can see here the problem is that Excel has seen the year and it has assumed that the year is data when in actual fact it is not. Now that is also going to happen if I create a bar chart. So there's a couple of things that I can do. So one of them is to select my chart and go up here to select data. And in this case, I'm going to go to the year and I'm going to remove it because I don't want that. But I need to change this x-axis. So what I'm going to do here is go to horizontal category x-axis label and click on edit. And then I'm going to select over my data that is the actual label data. And then when I click OK and OK again, you'll see that my chart now has the dates across the x-axis and not just fillers. Now there's an alternate way that you can achieve this same result. I'm going to reselect my data, and this time instead of selecting the kind of chart I want, I'm going to select the kind of chart I don't want, because I'm going to select an XY chart. And when I select an XY scatter chart, you can see I have my years across my x-axis. So all I need to do in this case is to go and change the chart type. So I can choose whatever chart type I like. I can go back to my line chart should I wish to do so, but I could also, for example, go to a column chart if that's what I wanted to use. So by going straight to an XY scatter chart, you can force Excel into seeing these as years and not as numbers, but you can also update the chart yourself manually should you wish to do so. I think that these are the best alternatives. You could, of course, just turn your data, your years, into actual sort of text entries or reformat your years, but if you don't want to go to the trouble of doing that, these are really quick and easy solutions. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.